this session, I'm going to illustrate the process of developing a work breakdown structure with an example. We're going to develop a WBS for an electric vehicle concept car. We can't go through the entire project because it's a huge undertaking. What we will do is develop fragments of the WBS to demonstrate core planning concepts. WBS development can be broken down into 4 main steps: naming the project, identifying the deliverables, specifying the services required to produce those deliverables, and creating the work packages for assignment to project team members. The last 3 steps are repeated constantly throughout the project as we develop a more detailed knowledge of the end product. At the beginning of any project, we're always faced with a blank page. It's sometimes really hard to get started. The only thing we have is a project charter provided by management. We're instructed to go ahead and develop an electric vehicle concept car. We're authorised to spend $20 million, and we've got 2 years to roll out our first vehicle. So where do we start? Well, at least we can name the project. Electric Vehicle Concept Car Project, EV for short. Right, we've defined level 1 of our WBS. The next step is specifying exactly what we're going to deliver. That's easy, we're delivering an electric vehicle concept car. Beyond that, we have a problem. We don't know. So to further develop the breakdown of the deliverable, we need to do some engineering. Systems engineering will be our first service to the project. The first thing we'll have to do is develop the overall product concept. Our engineers and marketeers will form an integrated product development team to identify the target market. Who will buy the vehicle and why? They'll conjure up use scenarios and figure out basic requirements such as vehicle range, passenger capacity, top speed, fuel economy, constraints on tailpipe emissions, and of course the target retail price. All this will be recorded in an electric vehicle concept document. The engineers will then take this document, develop alternative designs, make design trade-offs, and document design decisions in a preliminary design description. Fundamental design decisions might include power source. Is the vehicle a hybrid, or is it all electric? Is it a plug-in? Can we recharge the vehicle overnight from a power outlet in our homes? They'll make decisions on drivetrain design. For example, with a hybrid, they'll choose between the serial approach, where the electric motor drives the wheels, or the parallel approach, where an internal combustion engine or the electric motor can provide direct drive. From a standing start, this is about as far as we can go with our plan. We'll need a clearer view of the end product before we can plan in greater detail. This illustrates the reality that no WBS can be completely elaborated on day one. They all evolve over time. But right now, some work can be done. We can generate 2 work packages, one for the concept document and the other for the preliminary design. Each of these packages will lay out activities, schedules, and resource requirements in further detail. They'll give clear direction to our development teams.